In this educational video, we will show the termination of a multi-piece RCA compression connector. The tools needed to complete the installation are TLC-SST strip tool and TLSN-SA compression tool. First, we'll use the strip tool. Place the cable into the strip tool. Twist the strip tool twice around the cable in a clockwise motion, then twice in a counterclockwise motion. Remove the tool. Do not pull the tool from the cable. Remove the insulation and jacket using your fingers. Seat the small sleeve over the center conductor. Make sure no braid or shield is touching the center conductor. Seat the large sleeve over the smaller sleeve. Push the center pin into the larger sleeve until seated completely. Finally, push the assembly into the connector body. Make sure the center pin is seated fully into the connector body. Seat the RCA connector into the compression tool. Adjust the knob until finger tight. This will assure complete compression. Once the connector is seated properly onto the cable, it is time to compress the connector onto the cable. Squeeze the compression tool handles while holding the cable in place. This completes the termination of the multi-piece RCA compression connector.